Guys, have you tried a combination of pancakes, eggs, and sausages? It's a banger. So let me show you how.
That you paid and the love that you showed and the prayer that you made.